Hello everyone, this is Eman Khurram and I hope you all are doing great and enjoying doing math with me. हम कर रहे हैं Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, Book 1, D1. This is exercise 4D and the question number 1. So let's see what they are saying in question number 1. Minus 1 over 2 plus small bracket may we have minus 3 over 4. So this is again the integers number. And we will see how to solve it. This is pretty simple. As you all know, while we are doing the integers we have to keep few things in mind. जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई और डिवीजन करते हैं, सो मल्टीप्लाई और डिवीजन में हमें याद रखना है कि साइन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल, साइन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल। लेकिन एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में साइन ग्रेटर नंबर का यूज़ होगा और एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में साइन किसका होगा, ग्रेटर नंबर का, और प्रोसेस जो है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल होगा। ओके, सो ग्रेटर नंबर बट प्रोसेस इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, प्रोसेस रूल के अकॉर्डिंग होगा, राइट? And if you will keep these things in mind, it will be easy for you to solve all kind of questions. तो हम इसमें देखते हैं, ये ब्रैकेट का मतलब है multiplication. So whatever will be outside of the bracket will go in and multiply. So let's start solving the question. Minus 1 over 2. This plus sign is going inside and multiply with this minus sign. So plus minus, minus 3 over 4. Now there is no multiplication sign in between, so this is addition subtraction, और हमें पता है कि fraction की addition subtraction के लिए their denominators should be complete. So what we will do, this is already 4, so minus 1 over 2, we will multiply this 2 by 2 to make the denominator 4, and minus 3 by 4 will come down as it is. Now it will be minus 2 over 4 and minus 3 by 4. So 4 is common and we will write the numerators as it is, minus 2 and minus 3. Now minus minus plus, process will be plus but sign किसका यूज़ होगा, ग्रेटर नंबर का, विच इज़ 3. तो 3 के साथ माइनस का साइन है, इसलिए हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा minus 5 over 4. दिस इज़ एन इनप्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, तो हम इसे फर्दर चेंज करेंगे. वी विल पुट 5 इनसाइड, तो हम 5 को अंदर रखेंगे and we will divide it with 4. 4 ones are 4 and there will be 1 remainder. So the answer you will write this way, 1 whole 1 by 4. Minus sign will come as it is. The answer will be 1 whole 1 by 4, right? So this is it. Now we will move to the next part of the question. Here they have given us 3 whole 1 over 5 minus 5 whole 1 by 2. By just looking at the question we can easily tell that कि छोटे नंबर से उन्होंने बड़ा नंबर माइनस किया हुआ है. So the answer will be with the minus sign, but let's see कि इसे हमने solve कैसे करना है. We will convert this mixed number into improper fraction first. So 5 3s are 15 and then we will add 1 in it. It will become 16. 16 over 5 minus 2 5s are 10 and then we will add 1 in it. It will become 11 over 2. As you know, if any fraction does not have any sign, it means it has a plus sign with it. So to subtract or add fractions we have to make the denominator same. As in this case this fraction has 5 denominator and this fraction has 2 as a denominator. So what we will do, we will make the denominator same first. 16 over 5. To make the denominator 10 I will multiply the whole fraction by 2, plus sign, minus, and I want to make this denominator 10 again, so I will multiply the whole fraction by 5. Now it will be 32 over 10 and 55 over 10. So 10 is common. What I will do, I will write numerators as it is, plus 32 minus 55. Now, as this is simple addition subtraction, and we know that process will be according to the rule plus minus. माइनस प्रोसेस माइनस का होगा और साइन किसका यूज़ करेंगे हम, बड़े नंबर का, विच इज़ 55. सो वी विल राइट माइनस, and when we subtract 32 from 55, the answer will be 23. Okay, so minus 23 over 10, again an improper fraction, so we will divide it further. It will be, the answer will be minus 2 whole 3 over 10, and it will be the answer. Now we will start doing another part, and this is 3 whole 1 over 8 plus, in bracket we have minus 1 over 4. So let's see how to do it. 8 3 is a 24, and then we will add 1 in it. It will become 25 over 8. Plus sign will come as it is. No, plus sign will not come as it is, because we will open the bracket. Plus will go inside and multiply with this minus sign. Plus minus, minus 1 over 4. Now the multiplication part is gone. This fraction has no sign, so it will be plus. और addition subtraction के लिए हमें पता है कि हमें fractions के denominator को we have to equalize them. So what we will do, I will multiply this side of fraction by 2 to get the denominator 8. So it will be plus 25 over 8 minus 1 over 4. To make this 4 8, I will multiply the whole fraction by 2, ताकि इसका denominator भी 8 हो जाए और हमारे लिए ये क्वेश्चन फ्रैक्शंस को प्लस करना या माइनस करना आसान हो जाए. सो प्लस 25 over 8 minus 2 over 8. 8 will be common, and we will write the numerators as it is. Plus 25 minus 2, it will be plus minus minus, process माइनस का होगा लेकिन साइन किसका, बड़े नंबर का, विच इज़ प्लस. सो प्लस 23 over 8. अब हम, the answer will be 2 whole 7 over 8, and with the plus sign. This is it.